Imagine living in a house where your roof is a massive 200-ton volcanic stone that could crush you at any second. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today we are traveling to the ancient village of Monsanto in Portugal, a place known as the Stone Town. Here, instead of clearing away giant boulders to build modern houses, the residents built their homes directly underneath and around the stones. Let's unlock this bizarre architectural blueprint. But why did anyone decide to live underneath giant rocks? The story goes back over 500 years. In the past, Monsanto was a strategic military fortress. The ancient people realized that these giant granite stones provided the ultimate natural shield against enemy attacks and heavy cannon fires. The village has remained exactly the same for centuries. Walking through these streets feels like stepping straight into a fantasy movie. Living here requires a special kind of resilience. Inside these houses, the giant boulders form the actual walls, floors, and ceilings. You might be eating dinner while leaning against a rock that has been there for millions of years. Even the doors are custom carved directly into the solid stone face. Today, Monsanto is officially protected as a living museum, and no one is allowed to change a single stone. It is a stunning reminder of how humans can adapt to nature instead of destroying it. Would you ever want to sleep in a bedroom where a 200-ton rock is hanging right above your head? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and map out the world with us. See you next time.